Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel and welcome to the 6 p.m. video. That's right, bam! Today I'm going to find you some stocks that are on the move that could be very much like SMCI or nvidia before they get to that stature. Are you interested in trying to find those stocks? Well, if you are, you're in the right place, and I'm going to take you through the process that I'm going to use to find you these stocks. If that's what you're looking for, you sit right there. We're going to start right here in the VectorVest software. So, how do you find the stocks that are on the move that could really explode that you could take advantage of early? Well, the first thing I did is I opened up the VectorVest system and I went to the process of finding what industries are on the rise right now. I have a search in here called 10-day price delta. Delta is a percentage change, and I'm looking at a percentage change on price in industries, but I added a little bit of a flair. I wanted to make sure that all of the deltas, all of the changes in prices were all positive. So I wanted the 10-day delta to be greater than 0. These are all positive moves. I ran the search and look at some of the big winners. Computer makers. Everybody knows cryptos are on the move. ETF currencies, transportation truck, and big one, electronic semiconductor manufacturing. Now I want to stop right here, because we know that this is probably the hottest industry, or the stocks that are making the biggest moves are in this industry. SMCI, nvidia, AMD, TSM, a lot of these stocks are in that space. But watch this. When I run this search as of right now, I want to show you that not only is semiconductor up 8.3%, but what industries are moving even faster than that. Computer makers, 40%, cryptos, 36%, ETF currency other, 11%, transportation truck, 8.84%, paper, so on and so on. So we do have industries that are moving faster than these stocks that we are watching moving right now. And that's simply by a mouse click to find those industries. So I went through those industries. I built the watch list. I built the watch list of these stocks that are ready to run and run right now. And I've cherry picked a stock from each one of the industries. And I gave you an extra one in Gulfport Energy, GPOR, that I like in this space early enough as well. Well, you look, you got 6 stocks. 4 out of the 6 stocks are moving up. The 2 stocks that are not moving up right now are down nominally. Notice that all of the RTs are above 1. All of these stocks are in uptrends. 1 stock has in relative value above 1, which means that most likely it's undervalued. 5 out of 6 have VST, our master indicator for ranking stocks, above 1. 3 of them have CIs above 1, and they're all buy or hold recommendations. Now, I want to step up and say this is all a technical play. Even though I want to look at the RVRS from the fundamentals, I'm really concentrating on the technicals, which is why having RTs all above 1 is so important when I'm trying to find stocks that are on the move now. They all need to be in uptrends. Now, one thing I don't like about one of the stocks, this is in which space? The computer makers, is the volume. Lower volume on this, but this could be a gem. Finding those lower volume stocks that eventually become higher volume stocks may not be a bad play, and it is in the computer makers group. This may not be a stock that you know about. Another cool thing about some of these stocks is these may be stocks that are brand new to you that could be on the move and be on the move relatively shortly. All right. So let's go look at these. Remember, I've got 1 stock from each one of those industries is on the rise. Let's view the stock graph. Remember, these are technical plays. So I am going to look at the NPI. BitQ, we know that crypto is on the rise. Down day to day, wouldn't tell you to buy it today, but I've got trigger and trend on a crypto stock that's not Riot or Mara. How about that? Let's go to the next stock. Let me move this over a little bit. Electronic semiconductor, love the move, $44 stock. Prior to some of these stocks that are up, $700, $800, a $44 stock, bottom left, top right, have trend, have trigger, and a new 3-month high today. TFII, transportation truck, bottom left, top right, got trend, got trigger, $145. Next one, CIFR in the crypto stocks. got trigger, got trend, and starting to move. I'd like to see it get above this level of $4.25. This stock has really good upside potential from that point on. On GPOR, this is my oil play. I got trigger, I got trend, and I broke through a downtrend here. It's at $134. And last one, OSS, lower volume stock, but a little bit of a sideways, broke out of a little bit of a channel moving up. I don't like the big wicks, but if this market continues to run, this stock could continue to run as well. Keep your eyes on that. All right, now from this perspective, I'm going to track this. All right, and I'm going to give everyone who is not a subscriber to the channel a reason why you should subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of content here on the VectorVest channel. And what I want to do is I want to talk to you about some of the plays that we've put into play and see how they've worked out so far. The stock's ready to run. I just initiated a portfolio on it. It's down a little bit. That's fine. One day. All right. But we talked about cybersecurity stocks. I said it was going to be another big industry right side by side with the semiconductor and AI space. 8.38% since I did that video. I did another video on it, 8%. I did a speculative play video. Wow, look at that, 4.82%. Let's go look at the ROIs. Let's move this over. Return on investments, 20%. Palantir and PXLW. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go back. One of these stocks is hurting us, but you know something? I'm going to live and die by it. I did the video. I stand by the video. Still, overall, we're up about 4%. And last but not least, every year I put out the top 10 picks that I pick out for you for the year. Top 10 picks for 2024. How about SMCI is up 239%? Folks, I put this portfolio together on January 2nd as my list of the top 10 stocks for you for 2024. 3 stocks are down, less than 10%, but man, these stocks are rocking and rolling. All right, one more thing before I go. I'm going to go back to the stocks ready to run. I'm going to show you how I'm managing them. I got into them today. If I go click on edit, my stop is a 10% trailing stop on these stocks. We're going to see if these stocks are ready to run. One day doesn't make a trend, but I've shown you how I've gone through the process to find these stocks. I believe that these stocks have the potential to explode and make you some money. If you like what you saw this evening, don't forget to hit the like button. And again, if you saw the results that I can show you within the portfolios, that should be a reason enough for you to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, you'll be alerted to whenever we put out a brand new video like this. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, folks, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here. Did you miss out on the Tampa 2-day investment seminar? Well, right now you can get access to the live recording from this event for only $195. That's right, folks, $195. You can get access to all the great presentations from instructors like Steve Chapp, Jerry D'Ambrosio, Jim Penner, Ron Wheeler, and yours truly. Folks, you just need to go to www.vectorvest.com/replay24. You need to do that right now.